Today, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Access. This is Microsoft's powerful database management tool, and getting it set up correctly from the official source ensures you have the latest version with full support. To start, open your browser and navigate to Microsoft.com. This is the official Microsoft website where all their Office applications are housed, so you'll be getting access directly from the source. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as we'll be navigating through a few sections. From the Microsoft website dashboard, look at the top part of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Office. This will take you to the Microsoft Office overview page, which showcases all the productivity tools Microsoft offers. Now scroll down a bit until you spot the See More Apps link and click on it. This expands your view to show the full range of applications available beyond just the main Office suite. After clicking, you'll be redirected to the Apps and Services page. Here, Microsoft displays different solutions based on subscription types, whether you're an individual user, running a business, part of an enterprise, or in education. Take a moment to scroll down through this page until you reach the App Directory section. From the list of applications, click on Access, which will be marked as PC only since this application is specifically designed for Windows computers. This is important to note if you're planning your setup. You're now on the Microsoft Access page, which provides details about the application's features and pricing options. To begin the download process, click on Get Started. You'll be presented with two clear options here. You can either subscribe to a trial version or buy the product directly. For this tutorial, we'll walk through the free trial offer since it's a great way to test the software before committing. Click on Try for Free. From here, click on the Pricing tab to view the available subscription plans. Microsoft will show you different business plans that include Access. Select between either the Business Standard or Business Premium plan, depending on which features suit your needs best. Once you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to log into your Microsoft 365 account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to register at this stage by following the on-screen prompts. After you've successfully logged in, the Microsoft Office installer will begin downloading immediately to your computer. The download might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed, so be patient while the file transfers. And that's it. You've successfully started the download process for Microsoft Access through the official Microsoft website, ensuring you get the legitimate version with all the security and support benefits that come with it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.